When you shuffle across the carpeted floor on a dry day, the carpet acquires a net positive charge. Will you have a deficiency or an excess of electrons? Well, since the carpet has a net positive charge, it must have lost electrons and you must have gained them. Thus, your charge is negative, indicating an excess of electrons. The B part of this problem asks if the charge the carpet acquires has a magnitude of 2.15 nanocoulomb, how many electrons were transferred? First, let's write down what is given to us. So let's put given. And then we say we're given 2.15 nanocoulomb, the amount of the charges. So I'm going to name it as a Q on the carpet equals positive 2.15 nanocoulombs. Let's note that the nanocoulomb needs to be converted into coulomb. I'm going to do this right away. So multiply 1 nanocoulomb is a 10 to the negative 9 coulomb. And then this will give us positive 2.15 times 10 to the negative 9 coulomb. Then what we know, because the electrons are the ones that have been transferred, the charge of the electron is also known to us. I'm going to write the charge of the electrons equals negative 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19 coulomb. And that's given in the tables in your textbook, or you can find its known volume. So the net charge on U will be Q equals negative QC, which is negative 2.15 nanocoulomb. Actually, let's write it with the scientific notation, times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs. I'm writing it on the side because I will need this to solve the problem. So the next thing, what is it asking us to find? The charge the carpet acquires has the magnitude how many electrons. So we're trying to find the number of electrons. I'm just going to call it N. Okay, so how do I find the number of electrons? I take number of electrons equals the net charge on U divided by the charge of the electron, which equals negative 2.15 times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs divided by negative 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. That equals about 1.34 times 10 to the 10 electrons. As can be seen, net charges, even in every situations, can involve a huge number of electrons. Here more than 13 billion, because the charge of one electron is very small. Here's a follow-up exercise for you. If your mass is 80 kilograms, by what percentage has your mass increased due to the excess of electrons? Stop here, solve this, and then check your answer, which is 1.52 times 10 to the negative 20%. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more to come.